Hello and welcome to my Airsoft video. Today we will be talking about a limited edition Tokyo Marui TM Desert Eagle Magnum, a long-barreled version used in the video game Biohazard or Resident Evil. So this is a lovely customized box. As you can see, it has the word Biohazard on it. This is used by Leon in Resident Evil 2. You basically have a normal sized Desert Eagle in the game and you find parts to make it have a longer barrel. So we're going to open the box now. It's a little bit fiddly, so please bear with me. There we go. You are presented with the long barrel Desert Eagle Magnum with the magazine. There should be a pack of pellets in there and also an unjamming stick. Now I'm just going to show you the gun. This is the long barrel Desert Eagle Magnum limited edition. It's basically a long barrel Desert Eagle Magnum, except there might be a few slight differences to this gun. I noticed that the safety catch is different. As you can see, the safety is on when you push it down and off when you push it up. Most Desert Eagle Magnums don't have that type of style for the safety catch. It's got a very nice grip to it, and as you can see, if I can find it, here it is. There's a circle, a gold circle there. I don't know if you can see that. It says, if I can see it, Raccoon Police Department or Raccoon Police. So in Resident Evil the game, Raccoon City, the police department, that's where you find the Desert Eagle in the normal size in the game. And in the box you get a magazine. This is a chrome magazine, but black magazines can fit in this gun. So you just simply push it in like that, but there's no gas in it at the moment and no pellets. I'm just going to show you in the next video. I mean in this video, sorry, not the next one, but I mean in the next section. When the gun runs out of pellets, it simply locks back in that position to indicate there are no more rounds to shoot. I do like the size of this gun. It's a very nice size. A fair amount of weight to it as well. And I like how the grip is moulded as well. So it's quite easy to operate and use. Also with this Desert Eagle Magnum, if you wish, where my finger is pointed, you can justify the hop up if you want to. So now I'm just going to show you how to load the pellets and the gas in this gun, and I'm going to shoot. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to insert pellets and gas in the Desert Eagle magazine. You just pull the string down and hold it in place, and I'm going to insert 0.2 pellets in here. So I'll just do a few. So as you can see, there are a few, which I'm going to do an FPS test. And I'm just going to insert the magazine now. At the bottom, you just inject it at the bottom. And as you can see, when it's full, it will start to show. So I'll just put a few more pellets in actually. There we go. And when you insert it into your Desert Eagle Magnum, make sure that it's locked back. It doesn't need to be, but it's better. You put the magazine in and you push the slide down here and it's ready to go. Okay, I'm going to do an FPS check with 0.2 pellets. So the first shot shows 315 FPS. The second shot is 314 FPS. The third shot says 317. That's 314. 311. 312, 313, 311, 311 again. Now just do one more shot. 310. As you can see, it's just roughly over 310, which is very good for a Desert Eagle Magnum. Even though it's a sidearm, but it's really brilliant and powerful. Now I'm just going to waste whatever pellets I have left. As you can see, it's empty. That's what happens when there's no pellets left in your Magnum. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions to ask me, feel free to ask. I know some of you may ask if it's possible to get this type of model again. I don't think it is, unfortunately, because this is a limited edition version, so I don't think these are made anymore. This was to commemorate Resident Evil 2, Biohazard 2, because this was the gun that Leon S. Kennedy used. However, if you live in the United Kingdom and you want a long barrel Desert Eagle Magnum very similar to this, just send me a message or send me a comment below. I'll be more than happy to help you out the best I can. Once again, thank you for watching my video. I hope you have all of you have a great day, and see you later.